Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix Avada website styling after migration in WordPress. So this is our Avada website. So we migrated this website from one domain to another, but after migration you see font not loaded properly, icon not show, Avada styling is missing. So we are going to fix it. Now go to WordPress dashboard and then on left side you see Avada and then you see dashboard, so click on it. So we are in Avada dashboard and then you see multiple options. Now you see maintenance, hover on it and then you see performance wizard, so again click on it. So we are in performance wizard and then you see start and then click on let's start, again click on next. Now we are in icon, again click on next. So we are in font, again click on next. Now we are in elements, again click on next step. So we are in optimization, finish wizard. Now you see performance wizard complete, clearing cache, loading the home page to generate. Cache and asset has been cleared successfully. Now go to website and refresh the page. Now you see our issue is fixed. Icon is display on our WordPress website, Avada. Font loaded properly. Avada styling is fixed by using clearing cache. Now you see cache and asset has been successfully generated. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.